Where is the house, man?
Right here, man.
This is Rihanna's house?
Where she grew up, yeah?
Oh, man.
See, there's many tourists coming.
Oh, my God.
All I need is you, baby, baby. Over.
Where am I?
So guys, we're in Rihanna's drive.
2 seconds of the time.
Okay, and I'm with my friend Bingy showing me here. We are going to Rihanna's home. It's right here. Where you see those cars coming from is where we're going. Let's go, man. Maybe after some time we shall come and get some pictures there, you know. Wow, so this is how you go to Rihanna's home. In other words, is this road, as I'm walking here, Rihanna passes here all the time, is home, right?
Yeah.
Oh man. So actually this should be the walk of fame. I think so, because Rihanna walks here. These are his, like, this. Imagine this is her neighborhood, right? Where she grew up.
Yeah.
Oh man. So this is where Rihanna grew up, man, and that's how a superstar is brought. Like a superstar is brought up that way. Where is the house, man?
Right here, man.
This is Rihanna's house?
Where she grew up, yeah?
Oh man.
See, there's many tourists coming.
Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh, let me find a thumbnail of this video, man. Maybe you should hold the camera for me, like.
No problem, bro.
I hope it's filming. So you're gonna give me some space, like create, you know, if so this hand hold here, okay, and this other hand you hold here, okay. So,
Okay, right?
so all you have to do, I want to teach you to be a cameraman. You're gonna be there, and so you'll be there, and I'll be right here telling the story.
Yeah, no
so
problem.
actually we could do it from here, like it could be somewhere here. So everything is okay, it's recording. You can see me and you can see the house.
Yeah.
So what's up guys, my name is Marwa, I'm from Africa, Kenya, and I'm right here in Barbados to explore the small house where a mega star was born, Rihanna. And right here, this is Rihanna's home. That's where she was born. She grew up in this neighborhood, playing around here. You can see a lot of tourists coming here. Man, this is mind-blowing. I just wish we could go in, but so far I think it's closed. Oh man. My name is Marwa, I'm right here in Barbados, and we are in Rihanna's home. Actually, this is where she was born. She grew up here until she got her first contract to leave Barbados and become this mega superstar. Actually, I want to show you the neighbor of Rihanna. That's like the neighbor of Rihanna's house. Like, that's how humble things are around here. And she grew up right here, as you see, in this very, very humble, amazing, small house. So Rihanna used to play here, right here, like right here every day. And I was talking to the neighbors who stay here, and they were telling me she used to be a very humble girl who used to do like bike rides around here and go to the cemetery, you know, and also like do her homework from the stairs right there. Oh, you can go. Damn. So tourists are right here, and this is Rihanna's house. Oh man. Wow. 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 So this is where she grew up. Man, you can't believe this, like a mega superstar was born here, and now she's world famous. She owns big mansion. Yeah, this is the electricity that used to, that's the electricity that used to light for Rihanna, you know. It's crazy. Hey bro, hold this for me. Let me create this. Thank you, bro. So you can't imagine, like, man, a mega star. Look how the curtains were, man. Those are the curtains. Just like that. And that's the gate. it's newly painted. Maybe a long time ago it used not to be like this. And this was the fence. So maybe Rihanna touched this fence sometime, you know? It's so crazy. And just normal bulbs, super normal bulbs, and yeah, that was the veranda right there. Oh man, yeah. So from grass to grace, and that is how, man, it doesn't matter where you're from. Look, the neighbors of Rihanna. These are the neighbors of Rihanna. That house you see. No, I mean the house over there. Yeah, those were the neighbors of Rihanna. Like, you can imagine, man. Yeah. Wow. So let's see from the other side. Oh, damn.
What's this? Are you doing a rap video?
Wow. Damn, man. So, yeah. So maybe we can wait when these people leave so we can show a lot of details. What do you think? We can just, we can always come back. Okay, we can always come back, right? But I think this place is always like populated, you know?
Yeah, probably today. Not like this Friday, you know?
Yeah. Wow. This is, that's amazing. And then there's no security guard here, like there's nobody guarding it. I think Rihanna let it to be this way, right? People can get some inspiration and stuff, man. Yeah, from grass to grace. Everything is possible in this life, man. So this is Rihanna's neighbor. Okay, this was Rihanna's neighbor. I think they moved from here now. This place is like depleted. Yeah, and man, this is, it's amazing, man. Actually, when he told me like we are visiting Rihanna's house, I thought I'm gonna see a big mansion and stuff. But again, I'm here just to see this humble beginning of a young girl from the Caribbean. Yeah. Let me. Okay.
Barbados is very small. Alright, I'm gonna call you back in about 10 minutes. You want some water, bro?
Yeah, I think I'm good. You can buy just for yours. I think I'm good. So we have the cemetery right here, as you see. It's right there, man. And this was Rihanna's neighborhood. Like, that has blown my mind too. As a videographer making this video, I'm also like surprised. And I was telling him, like, when he told me, hey, I want to take you to Rihanna's house. For me, I was expecting to see this big mansion, security guards around, some 2 or 4 policemen, security cameras everywhere, you know?
Just the beginning, bro.
Oh man, I was like, damn. Then he's like, this is the house. I'm like, what are you saying, man? Like, yeah, that's the house. Man, I'm gonna give a big shout out to you, man. Give yourself a big shout out here.
Thank you, man.
Yeah, maybe.
Great. Corey_great.
Actually, some guy may be interested to come here and do some tour of Rihanna's house, so they can hit you up, man.
Hit me up, Corey_great at Instagram.
Yeah, I wanna be putting his links in the link below, and also, yeah, check out him, man. Yeah, when you come to Barbados, he's very, very nice. He has been feeding me juice to this water right here, man. It's boom, yeah. What's up, guys? My name is Maru. I'm right here in Barbados, and I was just making a vlog right down here in this postal office area, and I met these 2 cute girls from Barbados.
Hi.
Hey, introduce yourself.
Hi, my name is Charlene.
Charlene.
Yes, ma'am. My name is Kian.
Ian. How old are you guys?
I'm 16, 17.
17. Yeah, they just walked to me and asked me if I'm a YouTuber, and I told them, hey, you can be in the videos if you wanna see. Hey, tell people about Barbados, like maybe something to do, recommendations.
Barbados is a big tourist attraction.
Uh-huh.
Have a long time. Hot.
What is like the most like touristic thing here in Barbados?
Probably beaches.
The public beaches. Hey, you wanna be in the video too? She's a little shy. Your name is?
Destiny.
Destiny, yeah. Actually, I just came from Rihanna's like small house right there. It's so humbling. I was like, man, like these humble beginnings to a mega world superstar. And I was like, dreams are valid, you know? How do you feel about it? Like just growing here where Rihanna grew up, and as young girls, how do you feel about it? Like, you know?
It's fun running outside with your friends, you know?
Sorry, you can be.
Running around outside with your friends, that was the thing to do with it, you know? It had fun.
Do you feel like motivated, like Rihanna being from here, for example?
I would say for some people they do feel motivated because Rihanna is from here.
Yeah.
For others, they just use it as like a guide to help them to achieve their goals, saying that how she came from this little dot and she's now a big superstar.
Yeah.
They too can make it if they work as hard as she did.
So it's like a 50-50 thing?
Yeah.
Okay. But as a person, what do you feel? Like you, how does it influence you, for example?
It doesn't influence me in any way.
Yeah.
I just see it as she wanted something and she worked her whole life to get it, and then she finally achieved it. So I just take that as a lesson to do the same. If you set a goal for yourself that you are afraid of, try to reach it, because then it will mean more to you when you get it.
Okay. Yeah, she used the word bridge, and this place is Bridgetown. Okay, you can say bye to my camera, and maybe you can give yourself a shout out. Okay, bye. Thank you. I hope you guys saw this. Give the video a like, man. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. More videos coming from Barbados, and I'm just mind blown, man. I just wish we could do a tour, but I know it's closed. Yeah, and that is how it is from here, you know. Wow. Oh man. Oh man. Welcome to Rihanna's home. Yeah.